welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to see more home, holiday, event, wedding, and DIY decor. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a boys baby shower centerpiece and setup. Here we go. Centerpiece, the one with the cute little bow ties and mustache, which is absolutely adorable. I love this theme and I have lots of painting to do, so let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is paint this piece of wood with metallic silver spray paint. Original price was $7.99 from Hobby Lobby, but I used my 40% discount coupon and it was about $5. I'm going to be painting this off camera. I no longer paint on camera because I think it's unnecessary, but if you want me to bring painting back on camera, let me know. Let me know what you think. All right guys, I'll be right back. While I wait for my wood plaque to dry, I'm moving on to my paper mache letters. I chose paper mache letters because they are cheaper than wood letters for this size. These were $2.99 each, and the wood ones are usually $5.99 per letter. And you should actually, I encourage you to check out all the paper mache products at Hobby Lobby or Michael's. They are incredibly cheap and so nice. So you should do that. So I'm going to be painting the letter B in navy blue. This is deep blue or deep navy. And I'm going to be painting the letter O half white and half navy. And then I'm going to also be painting the Y with both colors. This one is going to have stripes, this one is going to be half and half, and this one is going to have polka dots. All right, let's do it. A mess. For the O, I'm going to measure the height of this so I can make sure that I'm going to have, you know, the proportionate right when I do half and half. So right here I almost have 8 inches, so I'm gonna do it at 4. So right here is the middle. Okay, so this half is going to be navy and this half is going to be white. Okay, so I don't trust myself, so I'm going to use some painter's tape to cover some of that. I should have done this first, but you know, I like to wing it, but now I'm scared to wing it, so I'm going to place some painter's tape right here. I'm going to let this half dry and then I'm going to move on to my white. For the Y, I'm going to paint the entire letter white and then I'm going to make the stripes in blue. Now I'm going to use a round foam brush to make the polka dots on my letter B. Now I'm going to let the polka dots dry and then I'm going to add some silver glitter to some of them. Now I'm going to add painter's tape to this area right here where the blue is, so I can easily and without any worries paint this side white. so now we're just gonna let it dry. Moving on to my Y, and I'm going to be using my painter's tape to make my stripes. I'm actually going to use the tape to measure my stripes because I want them the same width of the painter's tape, which is a little bit under 1 inch. This is going to be blue, goes up to here. So I'm going to mark that. So I want the top to be blue, and I'm going to cover the bottom of that, which is going to stay white. And then this is going to be blue. Then I'm going to cover this part right here for my white. And you kind of have to like bend a little in order to get this straight, because if you just go as he wants to go originally or as he wants to go naturally, he's going to go up. So you kind of have to bend it so it can give you a straight line. And here are my letters. Aren't they nice? They're so cute. Loving them. Now I'm going to add a little glitter to make them pop a bit. I'm going to add some to some of the white polka dots. I'm also going to add some to this middle part right here, and to the Y. I'm not sure yet, but I'm definitely going to add it because everything has to flow nicely. I'm going to use tacky glue to bond my glitter. There's no particular reason I'm using this particular glue. You can use whatever you have at home. I'm gonna let it sit for a bit, and I'm going to move on to my letter O. For the O, I'm going to use painter's tape to make sure that the line that I'm going to make with the glitter is going to be smooth. So I'm just going to place a little bit right here, leaving a little bit of the blue exposed. And then I'm going to do the same with the white. I'm going to leave a little bit of the white exposed. I'm also going to let this sit for a bit, and I'm going to move on to my Y. I think I'm going to go with blue, white, glitter, and then white and then glitter. So every other white is going to be glitter, which means only 2, so that's not bad. All right, so I'm going to use my painter's tape to make sure that it's nice and neat. All right, I'm gonna let this sit, and I'm gonna go back to my letter B. I'm going to use this little piece of foam that I got from a foam brush, and I'm going to use it to dust off some of the glitter that you see on the letter. And here's my letter B. There's some stubborn glitter lingering around, but that's all right. Love the way it turned out. Now I'm going to dust off the O and the Y, and then I'm going to show you how it looks. And here's my plaque all ready to go. I painted it metallic silver. I was torn between gold and silver, but I've been using a lot of gold, so I decided to go with silver, and I like it a lot. Now I'm going to go ahead and center the letters on the plaque. Make sure that when you center your letters, you're not only centering from the front, you also need to center it from the side. So when you have a side view or someone is sitting on this side, it's in the middle as well. Now I'm going to secure the letters with hot glue. going to add this bow to the letter O, but I'm going to also add a little bit of this ribbon right here in the middle because he has polka dots and it totally goes with it. And then I'm going to place it right here. Okay guys, so I couldn't find any mustaches. How do you say it, baby? Mustache? Mustaches. Jeez. Mustache. I can say mustaches. Mustache. I can say mustache, but I cannot say mustaches.
Mustaches.
Mustaches?
Yeah. Like a mustache?
Yeah.
Mustaches.
That's what I said, I think, no? Okay guys, so I couldn't find any mustaches.
There you go.
Thank you. I couldn't find any mustaches I liked, but I did find this cake toppers, and I'm just going to cut this stick off. And also one thing, I did not like them on the letters. I didn't. I don't know if you guys do, but I don't. I kind of like them as table scatters. So I'm just going to place them around the table and see how it goes. For now, I'm just going to place them on here. I'm not going to glue them down. And this resumes our project. Okay guys, this is it. This is my little man or little mister baby shower centerpiece, and I absolutely, you guys know it, love it. It is adorable, and at the same time guys, this is so elegant. This is definitely a go-to centerpiece for my sophisticated mama-to-be. You can definitely use this at your reception for your baby shower, but make sure that you also paint the back side of the letters. And can you believe I only spent $20 in supplies? I already had the acrylic paint, and that only costs about $1.99 each. So you're only going to be spending between $20 to $25 for this beautiful centerpiece. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to subscribe right now. Also, leave me a comment, let me know what you thought of my centerpiece, and just leave me a comment because I just love reading them all the time. And if you have any video requests, go ahead and leave that in the comments below as well. All right guys, until next time, bye.